Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's recipe is Salmon Masala. This is made with salmon and some onion and tomato, and very simple, very easy to make, and you can have it with either rice or roti or Indian bread. So let's get started with the ingredients. So let's get right into the ingredients. This is marinated salmon, half of a lemon's juice, then salt, red chili powder and some garam masala powder. Marinated this overnight. Let's get to the dry ingredients now. Salt to taste, pinch of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of kitchen king masala, 1 thinly chopped onion, 2 thinly chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and coriander for garnishing. Of course, do not forget the oil. Let's get started with the cooking. Okay, so heat up the pan and add about 3 tablespoons of oil, because we are going to cook the tomato and onion really well in this oil. So once oil is hot, we are going to add all the ingredients. Alright, so oil is hot. Let's get cooking. Let's add onion first. Always add onion first, because when we put ginger garlic first, it burns. So make sure onion is well cooked. In about 1 minute, once you see the onion is translucent, I'm going to add ginger and garlic. Mix it well and cook it for about 2 minutes. Time to add tomatoes. Mix it well, and I'm going to add all the ingredients in about 1 minute. Alright, as you can see, onion and tomato is getting cooked. Add all the dry ingredients: salt, turmeric, garam masala and red chili powder, kitchen king masala and kasuri methi, which is fenugreek leaves. Just like that. Isn't it simple and easy? In about 3 to 4 minutes, as you can see, the oil is oozing out, and I've added roughly chopped coriander just for flavor. So I've sauteed this mixture about 5 to 6 minutes. The key to the great recipe is when we put the masala, you have to make sure that the oil is oozing out and tomatoes and onion is well cooked. So as you can see, this is all well cooked, looking tempting and smelling delicious. So time to add this marinated salmon. Just mix it well and our dish is ready. So I'm going to cook this salmon for about 5 minutes or so, not much. Cook it with the lid on and turn the heat to medium low. Alright, so about 6 to 7 minutes. Let's see how it looks. Ta-da! This is how it looks. The salmon is that cooked in the steam, and of course just 5 to 6 minutes of cooking is enough for the salmon. We're not gonna make it very mushy. So let's plate it out. Look at the color. Wow. This is salmon masala is really good with roti, or as you can see how delicious and tempting looking salmon masala was. This is basically a dry gravy dish which is as you have seen, it's very easy to make. So I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching my recipe, and thank you for visiting Foodland again. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and of course I'll see you next time. Bye.